Hi guys, this is Noelle from Noelle Lewis Crafts. I just wanted to get on here today and do a quick update. I've had a few people asking me where I've been because I haven't posted videos in about a year. Basically, I've just had a lot going on in my personal life, and my Etsy shop has been keeping me pretty busy. A lot of things happened right after I got going with my channel, so I just kind of dropped off the map, which wasn't intentional. I probably would have posted an update if I'd realized how long it would be. But I've gotten over 1,000 subscribers, which is absolutely crazy to me that you guys are so interested in my videos and supporting my channel when I've not even been here. So thank you so much for that, and I'm really sorry that you guys have been waiting for videos and I haven't been posting anything. So basically what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to start trying to film projects that I'm already making for my Etsy shop so I can try to keep up with both. And of course, you guys can feel free to make requests and I will see if I can accommodate them. But I'm just going to try that. So currently I have a couple videos filmed and I'm just waiting to get my computer from the repair shop so that I can edit them. So hopefully I'll be posting videos again very soon. So yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know what's going on and say thank you so much for supporting my channel, and I hope you guys will enjoy the videos that are coming soon. Thanks. Bye.